There's a surprising connection between Diljit Dosanjh and time management. We all know Diljit Dosanjh as a chart-topping singer, actor, social media sensation. His catchy tunes, engaging personality, the humble soul, these have made him the talk of the town and every household's name. But what have I told you? Diljit's secret to success is closely tied to something we all struggle with. Yes, what's your guess? You are right. It's time management. Sounds crazy, right? How can a celebrity with a jam-packed schedule have anything to teach us about time management? Managing his own time? Stay here, stick with me, because I will surprise you with my answer and you will be learning and I'll be sharing in this video. Here's what you need to know. Diljit isn't just an entertainer. He's a master in balancing his career, personal life and his passion for many things. But how? Well, it's not magic. It's not luck. It's about a key ingredient that we all can learn to harness, which is prioritization. In a recent study by McKinsey, it found that 60% of the workers, they struggle with time management, and it's one of the top productivity killers. But here's the thing, Diljit cracked the code. So how does he do it? Let us see what we can learn from his approach. And he must have also learned surely. The first thing he does is focus on what matters the most. Diljit doesn't say yes to everything that comes on his way. He chooses the opportunity that aligns with his goals. According to Harvard Business Review study, 80% of the results come from 20% of the effort. This is law. When you are clear about your priorities, you start saying no to things that drain your time, and like this, you are focused. Now, that the rule is known as 80-20 rule. You can go dive in more in it. Second thing, don't be afraid to delegate. Have you ever seen Diljit handling his own marketing or graphic design? No, he works as a team with a team of experts. A Forbes survey revealed that delegating tasks increases productivity by 33%. And delegation is the key when you want to use your time wisely. Third thing Diljit does, and it's a good practice, is quality over quantity. Instead of being all over the place, Diljit invests his time in creating music more and content that resonates with his audience. Gallup found that workers who focus on what they can do are 6 times more likely to be engaged and productive. Diljit doesn't spread himself too thin. He focuses on delivering value. Diljit's ability to manage his time and balance his many roles is exactly why he's able to shine like a star in so many areas. And the best part, anyone can adopt these strategies. These are proven strategies which I've shared right now. So what can you do to follow Diljit's lead? Take control of your time, prioritize, delegate, focus on quality. By doing so, you'll find yourself not juggling, but being the true career person, having a personal life with passion, with ease, just like Diljit, where you spend your energy on what truly matters to you. Ready to manage your time better and succeed in your own ways, in your own game? Share your thought below. I would love to read the comment, and do tag to someone who could really make use of this little time management inspiration. Let's start making time work for us. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and comment, because my dear friends, time is a finite resource. Let us make every minute count, just like Diljit. Thank you. Bye-bye.